All right, so here's a look at this workbench. Now this is gonna be a wooden top workbench. So you can see it's got a nice sturdy piece of wood up here at the top. And I like the fact that they made this nice and long. So we're utilizing it actually for a different scenario. We're using it for our pizza oven here in the backyard. And this works perfect for us because it gives us plenty of room for us to take our pizza from here, pull it out and put it right here on the table. Again, making it nice and smooth and easy. Now, a lot of people are going to be utilizing this for an actual workspace, utilizing things like power tools or even things like larger milt saws. So you can either put those up here on the top and they should be able to hold because the weight capacity on this is up to 2,000 pounds. Like I said, we've got a nice wooden top up here and then you've got this metal piece on the side, which is made of steel. Then we've got more metal down here, again, made of steel. Now, down at the bottom is going to be these rubberized wheels, and these are going to be kind of like rollerblade wheels, which are great because you're able to move it along anything that is going to be bumpy. So right now you can see we're on pavers and I can easily just move this around with one hand, making it nice and mobile, nice and easy to move. Then when we're ready to keep it in one spot, we just push these pieces down. It'll lock it into place and then you've got this nice and set. So if you're using something like a saw or something kind of dangerous like a pizza oven, then you're able to keep it in one place and it's not going to move around. Plus it's going to hold, like I said, up to about 2,000 pounds weight capacity. Putting it together was pretty easy. It's only going to be some Allen bolts. So really easy. You got Allen bolts here, down here, and then you're going to have some that'll connect also underneath here. And that's pretty much it. They'll give you an Allen key. It probably takes about, I don't know, 15 minutes maximum to put it together once you get everything out of the box and out of the paper. And then it's also going to come with this piece right here, which is going to be a plug. So you've got 4 different 3-prong plugs. Then over on the left side, you've got a USB. So this is great for charging smaller devices, and this is great for things like power tools. You could also turn this off and on as well. So that way when you come into work, snap it on and all your things are back on. It's going to go over here on the side. You'll see there is this cutout right here where you're able to put this in. You just screw it in with 2 small screws. But again, we're using a gas oven pizza here in our backyard, so we don't necessarily need this right now, but I kind of just keep it in case maybe I use this for something else. Now we could use this as a stand-up table or workbench right here. You can see it's a very good height, especially with this pizza oven. I'm able to just grab my pizzas out, flip them down, throw them on the table. If I had something like a saw on here, it'd be nice because I could easily grab it from here. Or if I want to use this for some type of other workbench, maybe you want to sit closer to the ground like this, you could actually move this down. I think it goes down to about 24 inches and then up to about 40 inches. So just double check the listing on the height. I'm not sure on the exact inches. Or if you use a stool like this is going to be kind of like a workbench stool and you're able to sit up nice and high. I prefer sitting like this when it comes to working on things on a table. I'd rather sit up high than sit down low. So I feel like that works great in that situation. So if you're looking for a really good workbench, something that's going to be nice and sturdy, hold up to 2,000 pounds and be really mobile with some smooth wheels, then I would definitely recommend picking this one up.